Hello students, in continuation of the previous topic that we have discussed how to make ambiguous grammar into an unambiguous grammar, the next topic is simplification of CFG. In CFG, it may not be necessary to use all the symbols, basically production, that is P, which is, as we know in CFG, the production is of type 2, that is type 2 production are A to alpha, or we say alpha belongs to V union sigma. V union sigma means variable union terminals for making sentences. कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हमें सारे के सारे प्रोडक्शन यूज नहीं करने हैं. इसका मतलब ये है. So when we study CFG, we try to eliminate those symbol and production in G which are not helpful for the derivation of the string or words. Basically we want to eliminate those type of production, that is production कौन से A to alpha, where A is a variable, alpha is a combination of variable and terminal. So we try to eliminate those variable and terminals which are not making any sense while making or driving a sentences. For example, let us see very short example I want to explain. Given the CFG is equal to V sigma P and S, where P consists of S tends to AB, A tends to A, B tends to B, B tends to capital C, E tends to small c, and E tends to null. So from the given production, we want to make what is the LG. So we have derived. Now we make a language called LG for CFG, that is S tends to AB, that is given in the production, A tends to A and B tends to B. So the smallest string is AB, and we apply n number of times, we will make only this sentence. So the language generated by the CFG is AB. Now again see, we are making another grammar LG dash from the given CFG. How it is? I have customized this in G dash. I have taken some symbols of this from the G, that is SAB. In sigma we have taken A and B, and production we are making, that is P dash, and is the start symbol same. Now for the P dash I have customized C. S tends to AB, A tends to A, and B tends to B. Let us see what we derive from this. The sentences, secondly we make S tends to AB, so A tends to A, B tends to B, and again this grammar making the same language that we have already derived. So LG is nothing but AB. LG is nothing but AB. So again what we want to say, LG dash is equal to LG. So LG dash is equal to LG. Then what is the sense of using all those production which are given in G? It make no sense, because we have, or we can say therefore we have eliminated like the symbol C, E and small c, and the production B tends to C, these type of production. B tends to capital C, E tends to C, and E tends to null, because this basically these three production making no sense while driving the grammar LG dash is equal to AB, which is nothing but the same grammar LG is equal to AB. So in the simplification of context free grammar, we try to eliminate those productions which are not helpful for driving sentence and added a burden to the existing grammar. So in the next lecture we will discuss how to simplify by eliminating those type of production and symbols. We will see shortly in the next lecture.